everyone. In this video I am going to share about how we can prevent user from entering the script tags inside the forms. Preventing from entering the script tags in form can prevent us from cross-site scripting XSS attacks. So it is a good practice whenever we create forms in our projects. We should prevent from entering the script tags. So this is my PHP project, but this method can be used in any form, any HTML, JavaScript form. We can use it. So I will share in this form. You can use this method in any language of your website. Here I created two input box tags for username and email. Now there is a button, input type button, and if we click on that submit button, calculate button, it will work. It will on submit, it will work on validate form function. Here in the script tag there is validate form function. This way is not meet the standards of PHP. We have to create a JavaScript file and write JavaScript codes there, but in this case it is easy to understand by writing here, because we can see the text above and the JavaScript text below. So I'm showing in this page, but in your case you should create a JavaScript file and write the codes. So one user click on the submit button, it will work this validate function, validate form function. So here we have to check the input value are script tag or not. If the script tag, we should show the alert message, and it should not submit the form. So in the validate form, first I will get the inputs value var inputs. I will get the input value with document.query selector all, and input type equal text and select. If you have other fields also, input type email, input type password, other field, you can get the value like this. This is I get the value of input type text, and the next step is we have to check the start tag and start value and end value. So first I will give the script the value as script tag start equal script, and I will give the next one script tag and equal script. Now we retrieve if the input start is script and end is the script tag. Now we have to check the condition. I get the value input type test in this inputs, so I will loop this inputs value. So I will give var equal 0 I less than inputs dot length I plus plus and now we have to check if the imports array index of I dot value, if that value includes, we can check when the includes method scripted start. This means if the input box has this script tag, and we can check with or imports array index of I dot value dot include script tag end. If the value include this script tags, then we will alert the messages. Let's give the messages input invalid input detected, and give the script tags are not allowed. And we will return as false. This will not submit the form. Otherwise, if there is no includes value, it will return as true. That's all. It is very simple. We added the input box and get the input value. Now in my case I gave input type text, so it got the value as input type text, and first we give the value as script text start as script and value as script, and check the inputs in looping, so it will check every input field. If there is the script tag in the input box, it will show this message, and return false mean it will not submit the form. Now let's check it is working or not. I will refresh the page and I will add JavaScript text, for example alert hello, and if I click on calculate, now it is showing invalid input detected, script tags are not allowed. Now we have successfully created. If I add in the email field also and click on calculate, it will show invalid input detected, script tags are not allowed. This is not only for PHP. This is simple JavaScript codes. We can use this in any project that use JavaScript codes. It is a good practice to add this line of codes to prevent our website from XSS attacks. So whenever you create the form, remember to add this codes to prevent user to add JavaScript codes. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for your attention.